Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for checking out my content. I really appreciate it. So once again, it's with great pleasure I'm here bringing you some new content with some new valuable information to help you to grow your dropshipping business online. Alright, so with that said, in this video, I'm going to be talking to you guys about 3 simple steps that you need to take right now in your dropshipping business to ensure you get the best possible results from your dropshipping venture. Alright, but before I do jump straight into it, I do want to say to you guys, if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed and you want to learn a lot about Shopify dropshipping, make sure you get subscribed to my channel right now, and you can do so by smashing the red subscribe button just below this video. Also, I want to encourage you to tap that notification bell because that's the only way you're going to guarantee YouTube to notify you of my future videos. Alright, so with that said, I'm going to jump straight into it and talk to you guys about the 3 steps that you need to take right now in your Shopify dropshipping business if you want to get the best possible results. Alright, so this video is for you guys who have been dropshipping and you want to increase your sales, increase your conversions. If you're a newbie, you're just getting started with dropshipping, I want you to get started with dropshipping by reading my dropshipping guide, which is linked in the video description below. Alright, so once you have done that, it will give you all the necessary information you need to get started. And once you reach a point of scaling, then you can come back to watch this video. Alright, so with that said, I'm just going to jump straight into it right now and talk to you guys about step number 1. Alright, so it's very important that you create the best possible video ads for your Shopify dropshipping business. Your ad needs to be engaging and relatable. And by relatable, I mean the people you're targeting need to be able to relate to your ad campaign. And the best possible way I see to do that is to use user submitted videos in your video ads. Alright, so what do I mean by that? Testimonials. Alright, your past customers doesn't necessarily need to be speaking in these videos, but if they can submit videos to you of them using the product you have sold to them in the past, very important, very effective to increasing your sales and increasing your conversions. Alright, so video ads in the form of testimonials. Alright, very effective, very important. So I know a lot of you guys are going to be negative about it and say that you're not able to get your customers to send you videos of them using the products you have sold to them in the past. But it's not that difficult. All you need to bear in mind is that you need to give something to get something in return. And one cool trick you can use to get a video submitted to you for your business is to give your past customers store credit so they can use that to make future purchases. For example, you could give a $5 or a $10 store credit to people who submit videos to you that you approve and you will use in your video ads, which is in step number 3. Alright, so that's the first thing you need to do. Very effective. If you can do this right now in your Shopify dropshipping business and your Facebook ads, trust me, you're going to increase your sales and you're going to see an increase in your conversion rate as well. Step number 2 is to create lookalike audiences, right? But not just your ordinary lookalike audiences. You're going to use your past customers' email addresses to create these lookalike audiences. Alright, it's very effective, and Facebook allows you to upload email addresses in the form of CSV files to use to create your lookalike audiences. Alright, so recently Facebook also rolled out a new program where you can use your lookalike audiences based on lifetime value. So if you want to use lifetime value of a past customer to create a lookalike audience, Facebook now has that functionality, and it's pretty straightforward. I don't need to show you exactly how to do it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you exactly how to upload your CSV file with your email addresses to create your lookalike audience. But before I do jump into that, let me just finish with my 3 steps right here, which is going to help you to increase your sales and to increase your conversions and to make more money from Shopify dropshipping, which is the ultimate goal. Alright, so I did give you an hint earlier, and step number 1 is related to step number 3 because these video testimonials that you're going to get from your past customers, you're going to use these video testimonials to create a montage. Alright, so you create a montage from say 5 or 7 video testimonials that you've gotten to create a perfect relatable ad for your target audience. And guys, I'm going to show you why this is very effective right now. The same people that have submitted these video testimonials to you, right, are the same people that you have the email addresses for. As you can see, there is a link right here. And once again, there's going to be a link right here because these people have been past customers. That means persons in your target audience will be able to relate with the people who have bought your products before. I really do hope you understand what I'm trying to explain to you right here, but it's very effective. These 3 steps link together, and it's very important that you follow, and you will definitely be able to grow your Shopify dropshipping sales. All right, so one more thing I want to show to you guys before I do go is to show you guys exactly how to use email addresses from your past customers to create your lookalike audience. All right, so as you can see, I'm logged into my business manager account right here. Once you're logged in here, you click this hamburger menu that says Events Manager, and then you go to where it says Assets, and you click on Audiences. It's very simple, so I'm just going to go through it one time for you guys who have never created lookalike audiences using email addresses. All right, so once you land on this page, as you can see here, big blue button that says Create Audience. You want to create lookalike audience. Once you click on that, you're going to get this pop-up. It's going to ask you to choose your source, but for this, you're going to click on Create New. All right, and this is what I was talking to you guys about just now. You can create custom audience with LTV, which is lifetime value. All right, so if you have customers who have spent a certain amount of money with you, you can use this in your creation of your lookalike audience. But I'm not going to talk about that right now. I'm going to talk about creating the custom audience using the email addresses. All right, so once you've clicked on that, you will get this pop-up, and you want to click on the first one that says Customer File. And as you can see here, it is saying add customers from your own file or copy and paste data. You can import directly from MailChimp. So if MailChimp is your email service provider, you can import directly from MailChimp, which is really cool. And this, once again, is what I talked to you guys about just now, using a customer file with lifetime value. But now we're going to skip the lifetime value and go straight to creating this lookalike audience with the email addresses. So as you can see here, these are some of the information that you can include in your CSV file to help Facebook to create the best possible lookalike audience for you. So you can use email addresses, phone numbers, mobile, advertiser ID, first name, last name, zip code, city, state, province. So if you gather or if you capture these data using your email capture page or whatever it is, you can use this data here to create better lookalike audiences. But for this one, I'm just going to use email addresses because that is what I downloaded from my Shopify store just now. So to do that, you're just going to click on Upload. And remember, your file needs to be in CSV. And as you can see here, I have a CSV file that says Purchases. So that's the one I'm going to click on. Once you click on that, you can give it a name. As you can see here, default name is Purchases because that's the name of the file. You can click on Next, or you can add description for your file. Once you click on Next, Facebook is going to do its thing. And as you can see here, there are timestamps in my document, so they're not going to upload the timestamps. If you want, you can change that. All I'm uploading here are the email addresses. As you can see here, it's in green with a check mark and a sample of some of the emails here. And all I will need to do right now is to just click on Upload. And right here, you can see it's giving me a warning about unmapped identifier. Usually just skip over that and say Upload anyway. And this is going to upload my email addresses, and this is what I'm going to use to create my lookalike audience. As you can see, 436 rows uploaded, so that's 436 past customers that I'm going to use. I can just click on Done right here. I could just jump straight into creating an ad based on this lookalike audience, and it's basically that simple for you to create lookalike audiences, which is very important. So just to recap, guys, first things first, make sure you get user-generated videos to use in your ad campaign. All right, so testimonials, very, very effective, very cool, very important. Use past customers' email addresses to create lookalike audiences, and use your user-submitted videos to create a montage, which you're going to use as your Facebook, Instagram video ad. All right, so that is all I want to talk to you guys about today. I really do hope you guys understand everything clearly, and if you do, make sure you take action right now and start using this, and you will definitely increase your sales in your Shopify store. Alright, so if you like the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments or up over to the Facebook Mastermind group and leave your questions there. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notified of my future videos. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.